we are here in front of a school, government Vice School Jer. This is a school where Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the founder of Pakistan, received his primary education, and this is his village. And beside, it's a rest house of Prince Karim Aga Khan, and this broken house is also Prince Karim Aga Khan's residence. And this area is where he was living. Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah lived here in Chennai.